Welcome to the Apex Learning Teacher Portal training. In this video, we'll walk through the essential features of Apex Learning and show you how to manage courses, monitor student progress, communicate with students, and use the gradebook effectively. Let's get started. To access Apex Learning, open your web browser and go to apexvs.com. On the login page, enter the username and password provided to you by your ITTA. Once your credentials have been entered, click Sign In. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Apex Teacher Portal. At the top of the screen, you'll find the global navigation area, including My Dashboard, Alerts, Help, and your name, which provides access to your profile and sign-out options. By default, My Dashboard displays a list of all your courses. To view additional course information, click on the course title. Once inside the course, you'll notice two important links on the right side: Gradebook and View Data. Let's look at each one. Clicking Gradebook opens the course grading area. By default, the Gradebook displays a summary view for the entire course and everyone enrolled. At the top of the page, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Summary. Use this drop-down menu to select a specific unit. When a unit is selected, you'll see detailed grades for each assignment within that unit. This area also allows instructors and teacher assistants to manually enter grades for journals, practices, and projects. When entering grades manually, be sure to enter grades based on the total point value of the assignment, not simply as a percentage out of 100. For example, if an assignment is worth 20 points, enter the student's score out of 20 points. Returning to the course page, select View Data. Here you'll find several powerful reporting tools: student progress, contact list, last access, due dates, and activity scores. These reports provide valuable information about student participation, performance, and engagement. To customize your account, click your name in the upper right corner and select Profile. Within your profile, you can update your personal contact information and customize how and when Apex notifies you about student activity. In the Teacher Bio section, you may choose to share your phone number and email address with students so they can contact you when assistance is needed. The navigation menu provides quick access to all major Apex features. My Dashboard returns you to your list of courses. Gradebook provides a drop-down menu that allows you to select any course and directly access its gradebook. Keep in mind that Apex often provides multiple ways to reach the same destination. As you become familiar with the platform, you'll discover several paths to the same information. The Messages section stores all communications between you and your students. Here, you can review sent messages, review received messages, and create new messages. This is an excellent feature because it keeps student communications organized and accessible in one central location. The Discussions area allows you to view discussion activity across all of your courses. Use this section to monitor student participation and engagement in course discussions. Select Students from the menu to view all students assigned to your courses. You may also use the drop-down menu to select a specific class and display only the students enrolled in that course. Student information displayed includes last name, first name, email address, username, and temporary password. You'll also find a Reset Password option. This feature creates a temporary password that students can use to regain access to their account when they have forgotten their password. If you need to locate a particular student, use the search box in the upper right corner. You can search by first name, last name, username, or partial name or username. This makes it easy to quickly locate student records. Click on any student's name to open their individual student profile. Here you can view course name, classroom name, quality of work percentage, grade to date, overall percentage, total session time, last access date, and gradebook link. If you click on the student's grade to date percentage, Apex generates a detailed progress summary. This report provides a clear overview of student performance and progress. To share the report with students, parents, counselors, or other stakeholders, simply click the printer icon located in the upper right corner. You can print or download the report for distribution. As you explore the student and gradebook screens, you'll notice options that allow you to lock assignments, unlock assignments, and reset assignments. Resetting assignments can be useful when a student has exhausted their available attempts and needs another opportunity to complete the work successfully. We encourage you to explore the various links and reports throughout APEX to become familiar with the information available. Let's return to the gradebook. Remember, the gradebook opens to the summary view by default. Use the drop-down menu to navigate to specific instructional units. Within the gradebook, you can lock assignments, unlock assignments, enter manual grades, add due dates, and exclude assignments. Excluding assignments is generally not recommended unless directed by your program guidelines. An important concept to understand is that there are two separate sets of controls within the gradebook. Controls located inside the assignment header boxes affect the assignment for all students in the course. Controls located within an individual student's row affect the assignment for that specific student only. Always verify which set of controls you are using before making changes. Finally, the enrollment link provides a concise summary of a student's performance within a specific course. This summary includes time spent in the course, current grades, progress information, activity details, and additional performance metrics. This report provides a quick, comprehensive view of how a student is performing in the class. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the APEX Learning Teacher Portal. We encourage you to explore the available tools and reports to become comfortable with the system and discover the wealth of information available to support student success. If you need additional assistance, please contact your ITTA or local APEX support team. Thank you, and have a great school year.